Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, earn money from it, but don't want to show your face on camera? You're not alone. With the rise of artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever to create, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel completely faceless. In this video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to building a fully automated channel using AI tools, from choosing the right niche to uploading your first video and getting monetized. No camera, no mic, no editing experience needed. We'll explore how to create compelling scripts with ChatGPT, generate voiceovers using AI, build visuals and edit videos with drag-and-drop tools, design thumbnails, optimize your content, and even monetize through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Whether you're looking to build passive income, escape the 9-to-5, or start a side hustle from home, this guide is for you. So grab a notepad or open your favorite note app, because we're about to break this down into easy, actionable steps that you can start using today. If you've ever told yourself, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't want to be on camera, this is your blueprint. Let's dive into step 1, choosing a profitable faceless niche, because picking the right niche is the foundation of your channel's success. Step 1. Choose a profitable faceless niche. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of your faceless YouTube channel. This step can make or break your success, especially if you're planning to automate your content using AI. The key here is to focus on value-driven niches that don't rely on your personality or appearance, but instead offer information, entertainment, or inspiration that people are already searching for.
Some of the most profitable faceless niches include personal finance, tech reviews, AI tools and tutorials, motivational content, health tips, luxury and success stories, mystery and storytelling, and digital marketing. These niches have a proven demand, consistent viewership, and can be easily monetized through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. To find your niche, ask yourself, what topics do I enjoy learning about or researching? Is there a strong demand for this topic on YouTube? Can I create content around it using AI tools without showing my face? To validate your niche idea, use tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or even the YouTube search bar. Look for channels doing well without appearing on screen. Check how many views their videos are getting and how frequently they post. Remember, faceless doesn't mean low quality. You still need to provide high-value content that keeps people watching. Once you've picked a niche, you're ready to start creating, and that begins with building your first video script using AI. This is the game changer. Next up, we'll dive into step 2, using AI to write high-quality video scripts. Step 2, use AI for script writing. Once you have chosen your niche, the next step is to create compelling video scripts. And this is where artificial intelligence becomes your best friend. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and WriteSonic, you can generate professional-level scripts in just minutes, even if you're not a writer. Here's how it works. Start by selecting a video topic based on your niche, something searchable and valuable. For example, if you're in the tech niche, your topic could be Top 5 AI Tools for Productivity. Plug that title into ChatGPT or Jasper with a prompt like, write a YouTube video script about this topic that's informative, engaging, and around 5 minutes long. You can even ask it to include a hook, bullet points, transitions, and a strong call to action. The beauty of AI script writing is that it saves time and keeps your tone consistent across videos. Plus, it gives you room to scale, allowing you to batch create multiple scripts in a day. Make sure to review and slightly tweak the script. AI is powerful, but a human touch can make it feel more authentic and tailored. You can also feed it viewer comments, trending topics, or your past video ideas to keep the content relevant and engaging. Now that you've got your script ready, the next step is to turn it into a voiceover, without speaking a single word yourself. Coming up next, Step 3. Generate voiceovers with AI. Step 3. Generate voiceovers with AI.
You've got a polished script. Now it's time to bring it to life with voice. But don't worry, you don't need to record anything yourself. With today's AI voice tools, you can generate high-quality, human-sounding narrations in just a few clicks and never have to touch a microphone. Tools like ElevenLabs, Murph AI, PlayHT, and Lovo AI offer a wide range of AI voices that sound natural, emotional, and clear. These platforms let you choose from different tones, accents, and pacing styles to match the personality of your channel. Whether you want a deep, calm male voice or an upbeat female narrator, it's all possible. Here's how it works. Simply copy and paste your script into the AI voice generator. Select your preferred voice and click Generate. Most tools even allow you to preview before finalizing. Some advanced platforms like ElevenLabs even support voice emotion, letting your narration express excitement, urgency, or calm when needed, making your content more engaging. Be sure to listen closely and adjust pacing or sentence flow if needed. Break long paragraphs into smaller chunks for clarity. You want your voiceover to feel smooth, natural, and easy to follow. Once done, download your audio file. You've now completed a major piece of the video puzzle, and you haven't recorded a single word yourself. Next up, we'll combine that voiceover with visuals using powerful, easy-to-use video tools. Let's move on to step 4, creating videos with AI visual tools. Step 4, create videos using AI visual tools. With your voiceover ready, it's time to add engaging visuals that turn your audio into a full-fledged YouTube video. And just like scripting and voiceovers, this step can also be done entirely with AI. No video editing skills required. Platforms like Pictory.ai, InVideo, Lumen 5, and Canva Pro allow you to create professional videos in minutes. These tools work by matching your voiceover or script to stock footage, animations, text overlays, and transitions, all through a simple drag-and-drop interface. Here's how it works. Upload your voiceover or paste your script into the video editor. The AI will automatically generate a scene-by-scene layout, complete with visuals that match the content. You can customize the video by adding your logo, choosing brand colors, inserting captions, and adjusting timing. Most of these platforms also come with built-in libraries of royalty-free videos, images, and music, so you'll never run out of content to use. Want something more animated or niche-specific? Tools like Animaker or Render Forest let you create whiteboard videos, explainer animations, or character-driven scenes, perfect for educational or storytelling channels. This step turns your faceless video idea into a visually appealing, watchable format. And best of all, it's completely beginner-friendly. Once you're happy with the result, export the video and get ready to move into the final phases of your content creation process. Coming up next, Step 5, design eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Step 5, design eye-catching thumbnails and titles. You've created your video, but now comes one of the most critical elements for getting clicks, your thumbnail and title. Think of your thumbnail as the cover of a book, and the title as the headline of a news article. If they don't grab attention instantly, your video might never get watched, no matter how good it is. A/B testing platforms like TubeBuddy can also help optimize click-through rates by testing different headline variations. Once you've nailed your visuals and copy, you're ready to publish. Up next, Step 6, upload and optimize with AI tools. Step 6, upload and optimize with AI tools. Uploading your video is more than just clicking publish. If you want your content to reach more viewers, you need to optimize it using smart strategies. And once again, AI tools can make this process easy and effective. Start by uploading your video to YouTube and filling in the basic details. For the video title, use the optimized, keyword-rich headline you created in Step 5. Next, focus on your video description. AI tools like ChatGPT, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ can help you generate descriptions that include your main keywords, summarize your content, and encourage engagement with strong calls to action, like asking viewers to subscribe, comment, or check out a link. Don't forget your tags. These are keywords that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use tools like vidIQ or Rapid Tags to find relevant trending tags in your niche. AI-powered plugins will even suggest tags based on your title and script. Next, add end screens and cards to boost watch time by linking to your other videos. This tells the algorithm your channel offers value and keeps viewers engaged longer. Finally, schedule your upload for peak viewing times. Tools like TubeBuddy analyze your audience data to find the best time to post. Optimization is what separates average videos from viral hits. It helps your video get discovered, rank higher in search, and attract the right viewers. Up next is where the money comes in. Step 7. Monetize your faceless channel. Step 7. Monetize your faceless channel. Now that your faceless YouTube channel is up and running with AI-powered content, it's time for the part everyone's been waiting for: monetization. The beauty of YouTube is that there are multiple income streams, and you don't have to wait until you're famous to start earning. The most well-known method is the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. At least everyone knows this. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months, you can apply to start earning from ads. These are the ads that play before, during, or after your videos. The more views and watch time you get, the more ad revenue you earn. But even before you hit those numbers, you can start making money. One of the most powerful options is affiliate marketing. Promote tools, courses, or products related to your niche using affiliate links in your video descriptions. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can also sell digital products, such as ebooks, templates, or online courses. These are perfect for faceless channels in niches like finance, productivity, or education. And don't forget sponsorships. Once your content gains traction, brands will pay you to promote their products, even without showing your face. All they care about is your reach and relevance to their audience. Monetizing a faceless YouTube channel takes consistency, strategy, and value. But with the power of AI, you can fast-track your way to passive income. Your faceless YouTube journey starts now. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the blueprint for building and monetizing a faceless YouTube channel using AI. From choosing the right niche to writing scripts, generating voiceovers, creating visuals, optimizing content, and finally monetizing, you now have all the tools and knowledge to get started. And the best part? You don't need to be on camera. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't even need prior experience. With AI on your side, the only thing you truly need is consistency and action. The content game has changed. Automation and artificial intelligence have leveled the playing field, making YouTube success more accessible than ever before. So whether your goal is to build a side hustle, create passive income, or eventually go full-time as a content creator, this is your moment. Imagine publishing videos while you sleep, earning revenue from content you created once. That's the power of YouTube automation with AI. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that could change your financial future. Drop a comment below and let us know, which AI tool are you most excited to use? And if you want more in-depth tutorials on each step, check out the videos linked right here on the screen. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to show your face to show your value.